This video details single-person bar flow. This workflow is designed to be fast, efficient, clean, and repeatable for a single barista making several drinks at once. We'll get into more detail watching a video of this process in its entirety, but for now, let's talk about each individual part. Let's say you get a line of 4 drinks, 2 cappuccinos and 2 lattes. The first step is to get as many cups as you can at eye level on the top of the machine. This puts the cups within easy reach and lets you form a game plan for what to do when you start making them. Sauces and syrups are okay, but drinks that require a lot of liquid before the espresso, such as Americanos, red eyes, and cold cups for iced drinks, should be left on the counter to prevent messes and burns. The pitchers will begin upside down to prevent things from falling inside of them, so flip them right side up and put them in order so that the pitcher closest to the steam wand corresponds to the next drink to be made. Next, fill the pitchers with milk. It's important to prep as many pitchers and cups as you can while the milk is out, before putting it back in the fridge. It takes about 10 seconds to put the milk in and out of the fridge, so, in this example, instead of spending 10 seconds per drink, totaling 40 seconds, you can spend 10 seconds per set, totaling 10, saving you about 30 seconds, which, in coffee time, is an eternity. Now that the cups are in place and the pitchers are full, pull espresso, steam, and pour for 1 drink at a time until you reach the end of the line. As soon as you are finished pouring, rinse the pitcher and leave it on the pitcher rinser to drain while you serve the drink. When you return from serving, place the empty pitcher upside down back at the beginning of the line and move the remaining full pitchers closer to the steam wand to make room. It's important to remember not to fill any pitchers until you're finished with the set to save time taking the milk jug in and out of the fridge. From here until the end of the set, work your way through each full pitcher until all the pitchers are empty. If you have more drinks to make at the end of a set, simply form a new set on the top of the machine and repeat these steps until you're finished with the new set. Once there are no more drinks to be made, your bar might not be looking so hot.
What? No, 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 no.
As soon as you're finished making drinks, your first priority is to return the bar back to 0, or get it as clean as possible so you're ready to make the next set as soon as it arrives. First, knock out any pucks from the portafilter and rinse the portafilters. Then wipe down the machine. Clean up any spills from the bar. Use the brush to clear away any grounds. Wipe the counters and the grinder with a damp cloth, and refill the espresso hopper. Now that your bar is spotlessly clean, you're ready to make whatever comes next. Now let's watch the whole process live to get a sense for the timing.